Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. The Wrangler delivers iconic style, future-focused technology, all-terrain capability, rugged power, and the ability to make your adventures truly your own. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, four-wheel drive. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.